Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
APC! Your Excellency, our dear President Muhammadu Buhari, and your dear wife, the mother of the nation. Your Excellency, the Vice President, our Vice President Semi Osibanjo, Your Excellency, the President of Senate, Ahmed Lawan, Your Excellency, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the FME, the Chairman of our great party APC, and former Governor of Nasarawa State, dear Adamu Abdullahi, and all the working committee members of APC, my colleagues, the governors, our dear delegates, my dear brothers and sisters. Your Excellency, Mr. President, let me first thank you very highly for being the first president in Nigeria to allow a party-free and fair presidential contest. It is the first of its kind in Nigeria. And I want to thank the party chairman and the committee that organized this beautiful convention. And I want to say that you have done very well. When people were very highly apprehensive about the success of this convention, I told them that APC has what is called a self-cleansing velocity. Today we are here, and let me pledge that whatever is the outcome of this convention, I will abide by it. And let me say that I put myself forward as a man who has proven his indices of all the developmental indices that the country Nigeria needs. I have been able to prove that you can do quite a lot with little resources. I have been able to bring Ebonyi State to compete with other states of the nation, irrespective of the date and time this our state was created. I appeal for the delegates that all that the nation Nigeria is looking for to improve on the great legacies of Mr. President, that I possess it. And I ask Nigeria that at a time like this, we should give an opportunity to a proven engineer. I'm a professional engineer, and I have proved it in Ebonyi State. In the area of agriculture, I can say that I am part and parcel of feeding this nation, Nigeria. In the area of health, I can say that I have the best medical facilities in the whole of Nigeria. In the whole area of education, it is quite evident what I have done in the area of education. In security, in the area of national unity, I can say that I have proven the fact that I need to put my people, the Southeast people, in the mainstream of the affairs of this country. And that is the reason why I joined APC. I want APC delegates to look towards me and know that they have a young man who has the capacity, who has the ability, who has the wisdom, and who has the divine calling to improve on all that our dear president has done for our country. I urge you to give me your votes. I urge you to look through all the promises we have made. Nigeria in 2023 will not be looking at promises. They are going to be looking at your past performances and what we've been able to achieve. And I have a lot to campaign for APC with. So I thank you very much, and I have great faith in God and in you that you will do the right thing and give me your votes. God bless you and God sustain you, and congratulations to all APC members.
Talk now say PDP will be nothing, say there's a small fry for them. Do you think that following the way where Nigerians done the para concerning poor performance of APC over the last years, you think say una party get chance to succeed for this?
You know, as we talk and say, APC is the best party so far. Within these 8 years now, even what the Nigerians are saying is only mind game from the other side of Nigerians, that is the opposition. So coming in together now, bringing someone like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it's going to be a big challenge to the opposition. This, I think, APC have taken the right step to win the 2023 election.
Okay, one not to see the opponents when they talk to. We know say Atiku Abubakar no be person when I would just shift away like that. Nigerians also they talk about Peter Obi. How na go? Waiting una think say una party go do to hit the ground running to fight these people.
Actually, Peter Obi and Uncle So, they have made the wrong move already. So they have the wrong calculation. So they are out of it. But the coming of is a big challenge to APC. But definitely it's going to be a walkover.
Okay, so one not to deal with the political party, and one also not to deal with waiting Nigerians they worry about. Una party come during 2015 say na go do security. Security wahala still dey the country. Economy don bad, dollar sef. Nigerian to dollar, you know how high the dollar rate is to Nigerian. So what do you think say this una candidate go do to make sure say Nigerians believe in the party again?
No, actually the security of Nigeria started 20 years back. It's not today.
In the beginning of that
Una party say na go fix am.
They are trying.
So why?
They are trying. They are doing it. See what is really happening in the southeast. Not sorry, you know. Before the coming of this government, northeast is a no-go area. Even the whole of northeast people, they cannot work, they cannot go to mosques, they cannot go to school, they cannot go to churches. They can't do anything. But now, within these 8 years, you can do that. In the northeast, you can't enter a mosque without being checking. You can't go to the church without being checking. Schools, mosques, market. But now it's free. So it's only the northwest now that are having the challenges, and they are doing well also to correct that. So
well,
it's a plus.
If you look at the security issue, we know say security issues still the problem. Even though you say your party don't do well, but recently we even see attack for Ondo, different attack. Nigerians no fit waka for travel for road again because of
yes, I think
security
you forget
matter.
The area during the PDP regime where on daily basis attack will come in like 7-20 state per day. In Abuja here, you are here in Abuja. You can't go to market. You can't go to school. Even church, mosques, we can't go in. There was a period that is stopping people from going to mosques.
Well, we thank you for talking with us. We hope say Nigerians they hear and then go make their decision. Now delegates don't make their own decision. It remains for Nigerians to make decision on who will be their president for the next 4 years for 2023 general election. Thank you very much. Okay, and I don't hear from some of the supporters. We will match break here now, and then when we come back, we will focus majorly on the speech where Ahmed Tinubu they give.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.